What's up? It's me, Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. But you guys, I have this new unit from hermosahair.com. So if you're interested in this one, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be listed for you. This is their brand new 26-inch deep wave 5x8 lace frontal wig. This is a pre-cut unit. So as you guys can see, that lace is already cut, and they cut it in a way where it's going to blend right into your skin. And look at all that parting space. This is a 5x8, so it goes 8 inches temple to temple and then 5 inches back. Y'all, it's a lot of parting space, but there are no combs in this unit, but it still fits really nice and snug despite the fact that there is nothing inside of the unit but an elastic band. But this is the way the unit looks directly out of the box. You guys can see those really pretty curls. One thing that I don't really like about the unit is that there are these gorgeous curls, but the top of the unit is very straight. I'm going to show you guys a quick hack on how I fix that, but you guys can see that pre-cut lace, and you're able to part this unit within that 5x8 parting space. This unit is also 26 inches long, and this is where it falls on me. Now what I'm going to do is bleach these knots. You can completely bypass this if you choose not to. I did use my 30 volume developer and my Kaleido Colors bleaching powder. If you see that in the store, just ignore it, don't buy it. Buy either the BW2 or the quick blue powder and you should be good to go. So again, I went ahead and I bleached my knots. Now I'm going to take my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo and allow that to sit on those knots for about 30 minutes, and once I am done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and get the hair nice and clean. Okay, so this is the way my knots look now that I've bleached them. Of course, you can skip this part and just add some lace tinted spray and you will get the same results, but I personally like to permanently bleach them. But what I'm going to do now is style the unit. I'm just opting for something like a wash and go, so I'm applying a lot of water on the hair and cleaning up that parting space in the very center. Of course, you can do a side part or a middle part, and I like to take my foaming wrap mousse and apply that to the hair just so that I can get the top of the unit nice and flat. And you guys can see the edges of this unit. I didn't do any tweezing at all, and you guys can see it does have a really nice pre-plucked look, which I love. Now I'm just going to go ahead and work on the hair. Again, I'm going to drench the hair with a lot of water, and then I like to take a leave-in conditioner so that the hair can remain nice and soft, and just go through the hair with a Denman brush so that I can get those waves to pop. Now I like to take my The Do Mousse Def Mousse, that's so hard for me to say, and apply a generous amount to the hair because again, we are going for a wash and go look. So now that I have the hair on, you guys can see how it looks. Also that pre-cut lace, you can see how it is cut. Now the color of the lace is transparent, so it's coming up much lighter. So what I do to fix it is take my lace tinted mousse. I have mine in the shade medium dark brown. It is a little bit darker than my complexion, but I like to go that route because I do add contouring powder onto my forehead, so that actually looks right once I put it together. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the rest of the lace, and you can see how it blends in perfectly. And I also like to take my LA Pro concealer and apply that in the parting space just to clean it up. Now I debated really long and hard on whether I want to do baby hairs, so I chose to do it because I really wanted to add some dimension to the front hairline. So I'm just cutting in some baby hairs. Then I'm just going to figure out how I want them to look, apply a bit of my mousse, and then set it with my elastic band. So this is what we're working with right now. I did soften up those baby hairs a lot, and this unit install is 100% glueless, so I didn't use any adhesives or any sprays or anything. It is just sitting, and y'all can see that hairline. I really recommend that tinted mousse because sis, it really corrects that white lace that they give you. A1. Y'all can see the texture of this unit. This is 26 inches long and 220% density, and this is where the unit falls on me. I am 5'8" and my torso is kind of like on the shorter end, and it is extremely full and fluffy and soft. But right here, I'm just going to throw this unit in a few styles. Let me know which one you would wear. So if you're a bit concerned about how straight the hair is on top, you can definitely take your crimper and add some crimps and you are ready to go. But y'all, this is the wig. Again, this comes from HermosaHair.com. Y'all, make sure you guys do check the description box down below where everything is going to be linked for you guys. Let me know what you think about this unit and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.